Hello, I'm Stacy Rowan with Kami, and I'm going to be showing you Kami's advanced search tool. To begin with, you'll need to choose whether you would want to filter by category or go ahead and search by a phrase in order to find Kami accredited programs that you may be interested in. I'm going to go ahead and filter by category. First, I'm going to go ahead and choose all MHA programs. I'm going to decide whether I want them to be residential, online, or hybrid. I'm going to go ahead and choose all three of those. Specifically, I'm interested in healthcare management, and I'm okay with looking at all regions. The other option is to choose a single or multiple states within the Select States option down here. You can then filter by cohorts and tracks. Once you've chosen the options that you would want to see, you hit the program search button. This then shows you the list of programs that meet your required criteria. As you can see down at the bottom here, this is a list of 96 Kami accredited programs that meet the filter criteria that you entered. From here, you can decide to dig into a single program, or you can select up to 3 programs to compare. To begin with, I'll go ahead and take a look at a single program. To do this, you click this page icon, and this will pull up this program's profile page. At the top of the page, you'll find some general information about the program, as well as information regarding their accreditation. As you scroll down, you'll come across 3 years worth of this program's annual report data. The other option that you have to compare the 3 programs, you will go ahead and select them using these select boxes next to the name of the program, and then you will hit this green Select to Compare button. As you can see now, these 3 programs are listed right next to each other, so you can go through each of the sections of the annual report and compare these programs to each other. From this view, you're also able to go ahead and look at that program profile page for any particular program that you may want to dig a little bit further into. I hope this helps, and please reach out if you should have any questions.